Hi. In the recently concluded Swiss League of Mohanlal Bharatiya team event 2021, this deal caught my attention. Although it was just one IMP difference, there were a lot of stories hidden behind that difference. So let us begin with the most common contract. Out of 56 tables, on 48 tables, the contract was 3 Notram and was played by East. And East made 11 tricks. On some tables, North opened a weak 2 in the second position. So West is the dealer. West passes, North opens 2 spade. What would you do as East? You have 16 high card points, balanced hand. If we are 2 Notram overcall, this is how the bidding will go in that case. 2 spade, 2 Notram pass, 3 Notram pass, pass, pass. South leads the 8 of spades and North plays 10 of spades. How would you like to plan your play? Playing against BBO robos, a duck might work very well because in the old days BBO robos were programmed to shift. In the infinite wisdom of the programmer, the robo opted to shift. But of course, that kind of error is unlikely from a human player participating in the Bharatiya event. So, would you like to win ace straight away, or we'll see later why it is important to duck. Let us say for the time being that you duck and win the next trick with ace of spades. What next? Notice your clubs. You would definitely like to play clubs, but 9, 8, 7 of clubs are out, and also the king is out. You would like king to be on side. But if you play queen and a stiff king comes from south, you will have to lose a trick to 9, 8, 7, 5 of north. So the correct play is to play a small club. So let us say you play a small club. South plays the 9, you win with club 10, and you play a heart to king of hearts, and now you can play queen of clubs. You pick up South's king, ace, you cash the club jack, you cash one more club discarding a diamond, and you cash the last club. You discard another diamond. And now let us see the problem South faces. Shaded cards are the played cards and the dark cards are the cards in South hand. South is yet to discard. He has 6 cards, everybody else has 5. What can South discard? If he discards a diamond, you will get a trick with your third diamond. If he discards a heart, his queen will fall. And a red card discard is clearly not good. So, South will have to discard a spade. But then, that exposes him to an end play. All you will do is cash king of diamond, cash ace of diamond, and now you know that the next trick will be lost to South. Play a diamond and South is end played. Let us look at all the hands now. This is the position and South has to play away from heart queen 8 and you will make 11 tricks. That's about the same number of tricks that declarers from east side will make if diamond queen is laid. Let us now examine the bidding. A 2 Notram overcall on a weak 2 spade opening with the east hand, that's a path of least resistance. You have 16 HCP as we recounted before, a balanced hand and a spade control. So you are within the books, within reasonable limits to overcall 2 Notram. If you are playing in a scratch partnership or if you haven't had the chance to discuss these things fully, even in a regular partnership, maybe two notum is the best course to take because that saves you some anxiety. But what if you are a practice partnership? You will worry about a spade lead from south. You will worry that you have only one spade control. You would like to explore a 4-3 heart fate. If you overcall two notum, you are as good as saying bye-bye to a 4-3 heart fate or a 4-4 diamond fit or even a 5-4 diamond fit or a 5-3 club fit. Most likely after 2 notum the bidding will inevitably proceed towards 3 notum. Would you be happy with that? Well, there is something else also. If partner comes up with queen small spade, queen small spade or jack 9 small of spade, a notum contract would play much better from partner's side, from the east hand. So, there is a lot of downside to the 2 notum overcall, although that appears to be a straightforward overcall. Let us look at the bidding of one expert pair, Arvind Srinivasan and R. Venkatesh of Rampage. Arvind doubled 2 spades, south raised to 3 spade, west bid 4 club. Let us check what it is. It is natural, and east bid 4 heart, and they ended up in 4-3 heart fate, which is quite an excellent spot. Although, remember, because west doesn't have the queen of heart, it's not all that greatly superior to a 3 notum bid. But the important thing is to appreciate that a 2 notum overcall might not be the best. And Arvind Srinivasan and R. Venkatesh reached a 4 heart contract. Hearts were 3-3 and the contract made easily. In fact, it made 12 tricks when east played a small heart and south played small in tempo, hoping for a miscase in a play of 9. But Arvind played jack because obviously he needed to win the trick rather than lose to a small card. And thus he made 12 tricks, earning 1 IMP in the process. No wonder Rampage are directly through to the finals through the top half of 8 teams. I must also mention that Vinay Sharma and Srinivas Joshi, I think of Borivali Sports Club, and Tanmay Muzumdar Sagar Bhuiya also reached a 4 heart contract. This turned out to be a rather interesting board, a trail that started from just a 1 IMP difference. Do you know the concept of elbow room? The point was playing in 3 notum. If you hadn't ducked first spade, then south would have been able to keep 1 extra card and he would have kept a spade, and then north south would have made 2 spade tricks and the contract would have been restricted perhaps to only 10 tricks. So it was important to duck the first spade. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for joining. Bye.